Model, 2019 Mercedes Vito 111 CDI Pure L1 needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,700. Engine, 1,598 CCOM 622 114 HP. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, turbo oil seals have worn so the turbo will need replacing, straightforward servo replacement job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows, 2 keys, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.